I'm going to show you a quick video of how I built these goat platforms so the goats could get on top of their shelter.
Oh, what's his side? Wait, what are you guys doing?
To start off with, I ripped down a bunch of 2x4s to make them smaller, and we used some recycled decking for the platforms. This is my oldest son, using the nail gun to form one of the platforms. Here, my second oldest is helping nail together the second platform. And this is me nailing together the third platform. After that, I used my circular saw to trim the ends of the decking boards flush with the 2x4. I repeated this with all of the platforms, and then I cut the ends of the ripped 2x4s. I nailed on some 2x4s as legs for the bottom platform. And then I added a ramp by nailing it to the platform. And then legs for the second platform were nailed to the first. The second platform was added just like the first one, but for some reason I did not film it.
Haven't even installed it yet, and I know what it's for.
I put it in place, and then I secured it from the inside of their shelter with screws. Here you can see Buckley testing it out and getting on top of the shelter for the first time. The main purpose of this shot is to show off my underwear, but I am also attaching a 2x4 to the legs to secure them in place. And Thomas is checking to make sure it is secured.
Alright guys, thanks for watching. Please subscribe and hit that notification bell.